Good morning, everybody. Gonna quickly go through the agenda for today. So by the time Tuesday ends, you should have completed on Google Classroom all of your week one assignments, your week two assignments, your week three assignments, your Monday responses, and today's seventh grade anticipation guide. Your questions of identity. Who am I? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this way? Every day consider why am I choosing to do the actions I'm doing? What is the purpose? Learning targets and success criteria. We're going to get to know one another. Be good listeners. Stay focused on the Google Meets. Limit distractions on the Chromebook and at home. Then we're going to complete another anticipation guide. You're going to think deeply about the statements. You're going to connect the statements to your own personal experiences. You're going to articulate your thoughts in a clear manner. And this is one of the assignments that has gotten a lot of traction. More people have turned in because I think it's something that you guys can connect with. It's intentionally made so you think about your own life and your own experiences. So let's take a look at the documents. Read each of the following statements and decide whether you agree or disagree with it. If you cannot decide, mark the answer you would choose for the majority of the situations. I want to mimic what I see on TV. When I see famous musicians or actors or what people are dressing like, doing on TikTok, that's important to me. That's something I'm influenced by. And that can be a bad thing or a good thing. It's just, do you agree or disagree with that? I worry about what others think of my physical appearance. When you wake up every day, do you think about what other people will think when they see you? I get excited about the first day of school. Summer's done. You're either dreading waking up early or you're like, oh my gosh, I get to see my friends again. I want to be in class with my friends. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are just going to agree with that. This one might be embarrassing, but don't be embarrassed, okay? I get excited if my crush is in my class. We've all been there. I get nervous sometimes when I talk to the person I like. I sometimes want to impress my peers. What does that mean, impressing my peers? Have you ever done something to show off or raise your hand more than you usually would or talk about things you've done in a louder fashion? Or maybe in good ways. Maybe you want the respect of your peers. Maybe you want people to know that you're a good person or you work hard at things. Doesn't have to be bad either. Teachers can relate to us. Do you think your teachers know what you guys are interested in, or do you think we can connect with what you like, the music, the movies, what you guys are into? Do you think you can connect with your teachers about stuff like that? Teachers understand our feelings. Do you think teachers know what you're going through? Do you think when you're upset about something, they understand why, or they try to? I've embarrassed myself at school or in class before. You ever done something where like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I just did that. I'll never want to show my face again. Maybe, maybe not. I have. And here's my example for mine. I agree with the statement, teachers understand our feelings, because now we're going to choose three of the statements you are most passionate about or interested in and expand upon them. As someone, and I said, teachers understand our feelings. As someone who was in high school 7 years ago, those memories and feelings are not too far removed from my life. Teachers have a tendency to empathize with students, even if they don't realize it, or at least attempt to understand. This is one of the reasons why I went into the field. So those are your three. In this short story we're reading tomorrow, seventh grade, I think you guys are going to find it really relatable. I really liked it and made me laugh a couple times today. So that is what we're doing, and then I'm going to have you guys do some responses tomorrow. And I looked at the polling, and not enough people voted to change what we're going to be doing, but if I see a few more votes, then in the next couple of days we'll be doing a couple different type of lessons, okay? So please vote if you haven't voted already. I extended the poll for another day. Okay? Have a great Tuesday.